I've been running Solar Assistant to track the status of my energy production, and I was a little underwhelmed by the interface, so I made this software to go along with it. I made it to display as like a dashboard. I have this old iPhone that I just set up so I can just, look at it whenever I'm doing other things. But, it's got all your basic data, how much you're producing, state of charge of your battery, how much money it's saved, how much your house is using, forecast for day, night, and the next day, energy layout, charts, can kind of keep track of what loads are on currently, although that's a little experimental right now. Anyway, if anyone wants to try it, I'll put a link in the description, and it's free. So give it a go. Tell me what you think.